Assalamu alaikum guys. Hope all are good. It's 4th of July, 3:30 p.m. here with me. So I'm a bit explaining what's going on Bitcoin chart and what was our expectations before and now. So let me start it from our last analysis, which I have shared earlier this month before in last quarter of July. I think I shared this. At that time, we were expecting price to hit that order block. I have explained this clearly. Initially, we put our bids here, somewhere here. I was expecting to go down a bit more, but daily candle closes below this falling wedge, then recovered and quickly banged. I gave call as well when this candle happened. In my Discord, I ask people to buy whatever they want to buy. Mostly people bought, and I personally sold half here somewhere. I bought Bitcoin only, nothing else. So half here, and then remaining position I sold somewhere here. So this last analysis played very well. Let me check out USDT dominance if I have markings. Okay. Where is DXY? Actually, I was away from my charts, so that's why I'm checking with you guys as well. So yeah, good. Dixie is playing in range. Like if I remove things, I will mark simple range for you guys. Want to go like this. Here is range high. This is range low. Simply Dixie is playing in between. Came here, tag, go up, then again. So it's range bound. That's why nothing special happened. Now, what's happening on Bitcoin chart? What will be the expectations from Bitcoin? Because the earlier uh, analysis which I had and idea which I had already played out. So now, fuck it off. Let's move. I will remove FHEs as well. Okay. Now, structure was bullish already. Structure is bullish from on weekly chart. If I show you, structure is bullish from here. CHOCH, BOS, and if weekly close is above already, but that is not a perfect close. Like it is not healthy close. So if it closes healthy somewhere here weekly, that is also BOS dips are for buying. One more thing, remember, we are in weekly supply zone. This is supply zone one tagged but rejected, but that was not a proper rejection. What we call rejection, this is called rejection, proper rejection, but it is slowly bleeding. Then again 1 week, all shorters are liquidated again. Now what will be our plan? How will we tackle this zone? First of all, there are simple range is playing here. Simple, if you check out range here. For now, here is it is your daily order block is here resting. It came here, reacted very good. One more thing, which is here, that is these equal lows. Equal lows are always target. If you see equal lows or equal highs, these are target. These are not your entries, or you say they will be your entries and you will take entries. No, you target these equals because this is liquidity lying here. So might be possibility their price came down here in this region. Take out then a bullish sign here. We can go up. From where we can go up? Let me check it out. Another range is if it playing out this trend line break. Simple. This is very basic. If trend line breakout here, what's our target? These are our target. Target one, target two, and target three. All target match. So this setup invalid now. I will mark only the higher point here, so I know where will be the rejection could be possible. Here it is higher. Okay. First, I have this area of interest POI here on daily. Higher highs are creating structure broke here. This is structure CHOCH here, and before CHOCH we have our order block, which should be this one, but this is already mitigated, so it is acting as breaker now. But at supply and higher zone it is acting as breaker. I will not trust this order block too much. So lower low, lower high, again lower low. After lower lows it again broke. BOS happened here but didn't retest it. Okay, so after this so CHOCH price didn't retest it, this order block, this one, and here we have breaker as well. So this is also important zone. If I see FPRP here, where it is lying, okay, it is lying here, so it means price should retraced here. It will came here on in at high 28K region. So if I mark this zone, hold this zone, this is a proper POI from for us to again reload. Invalidation, lose these two POIs, we are out. This is last POI. It is crypto, some bad news came into the market. It will drive price towards these order blocks and demand zones. This is also demand zone created. So this whole area is our POI. We will look for long there. Long, 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 long. Long stop again will look for long, 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 long. When this is lost, we lost the trend. We will look for short sign. Now, current scenario, what's happening on market? We look at H4 now. What should be the possibility for us? I'm watching perpetual contract. Yes. Higher high created. This is our high, previous high, then new high created here. So structure is bullish. What does it means? We will find our order block, which was here. Small order block. Tapped, reacted, tapped, reacted, tapped, reacted, tapped. Again, swept all liquidity, stops, hunts, all red. Everything hunted here. Then slowly target hit. This was target, which is hit. Now, if I tell you that yesterday I said bids here 560. Where is 560? Here, here, this here, and that is my stop loss. And right before the filling, I cancel it and target it. So that was a foolish decision. I was away from charts, that's why I didn't have that much confidence as well. But that demand order block played well, target hit. So okay, now what to do? What's next? H4 didn't closes above here. That is worrying sign, because if this is BOS, we didn't get any BOS for continuation. Okay, so second, when you don't have BOS is very easy to play. If BOS happened, you only mark order block here, and an order block you set limits, stops here, safe stops here, and for high RR setups, place stop loss just below order block, but then you will use SSL soft stop loss, in which you will lose, like if you are risking 1%, there might chances you will lose 1.5%, but high RR setups are likely to played here. Now I will mark range. I already show you these equals. Now important thing, important plan. Overall, what is market is doing, I told you. Now what will be our plan of action? I will mark important things now. This is equals. As I earlier told you that equals are always target. So first bias, I am creating my bias now. What will be my bias for the week? So these equals will be my target for the whole week. I will look for these equals. And this is also range low. Price dumped and suddenly pumped. After pumped, we created high, which we will call as range high. I will mark it properly. Here it is. Range high created. Uh, yes, range low swept, but didn't swept very well. They created equals. So yes, created equals. Now yesterday night price pumped but didn't act like there is liquidity lying here. This one almost they took out this one, what we will call SMTs. They took out these one, but this range high didn't tag. Why? And what I'm thinking right now is that if I open previous week levels, I have too much things open. I will wait a minute. Imports Monday, okay. Day off, previous day of week, previous week. I need this. Okay. There are two weekly range here. Monday range, which we called if Monday low swept, green candles closes above, we long for till Monday high. And if Monday high swept first, closes below 1 2 red candle, we target Monday low. Simple range bound. And another thing is this previous week high and previous week low. These are important levels as well, because weekly high, yes, last week high was this one and low was this one. Both didn't swept. So what happened yesterday night, that they swept yesterday previous week high, retested successfully, rejected. What does it mean? They, I think, in my opinion, they are not going for this range high. Most of the trader people are waiting from this range high to be swept and then come back. But my personal views, I'm thinking like they will not sweep this. They will slowly bleed till down till Monday low. First, they will take Monday low here. Where is brush? Here. Monday low swept. They created a CHOCH here, fake CHOCH here, then retest and then go for like Monday high plus range high. So that is my analysis for like this is by view and bias for this. But overall, if this Monday low, what we call it as lost on H4, they create proper CHOCH here, then simply previous week low will be the target. And that zone will be my watching zone. This is my POI. For this zone is my POI. Why I am opening FPGs? We have this unmitigated half-filled FEG here, this one. So there might be chances if that structure which I'm thinking about, is played out, price will came down here. It will fill that FEG, Fukre, a bit of what we will call it CHOCH bullishness retest long, and target simply this range high. Plus I will show you one more thing on monthly chart. If what I'm thinking is played out, this FEG will be tapped this time, like 32K levels will be tapped. So if if price came down here, equals taken out, FEG filled, signs of bullishness, it will be previous week low is also here to support you, and that will be your long trigger. I will check H4 200 EMA. So it is also coming here in this region. If price came here, this EMA will be also here. So it will also act as support for you. So that will be the proper long plan. For now, I'm shorting it. Why I'm shorting? Because previous week high on lower time frame 200 EMA acting as support for now. Let's remove it because on lower time frame they broken out quickly. Higher high created, higher low again, new high didn't created, SMT divergence created here. Like previous week high taken out, Monday high created, retested previous week high. So that was a proper short here. If you see closely on 5 minute chart, here is your what we call at CHOCH, and on 15 minute chart, if you see, that is your order block here. So that was a proper short for me. What should be the target here? This week, first target, this one. So it tapped already. Now price is bouncing back again. But up before bouncing, new low is also created. Lower low is created. If you see wick to wick, then it is also broken down. So here is my another like order block placed here somewhere here, and daily and H1. If you see H1, yes, we have FEG here. So this is, I will remove this one and mark as red. So somewhere here my bids are placed, stop loss is above here, but I'm using soft stop loss. If H1 closes above, I manually close because there might be chances that it filled and it tested again. There are chances that it will fill that. And what I'm targeting here, I'm targeting simply this Monday low here. I'm not going to like swing short and target or take out from these lows. It will take time. That is idea. That is my bias. But for now, level to level, if I play, remove this level. In FEG, I have and prices coming towards my orders. I think I have bids at 31, 150. Stop is somewhere here. So let's see. And I'm targeting what I'm this lows. Why I'm targeting, if you see H2 here, we have uh, after CHO, CH came here. Okay, then BOS, again BOS. After BOS, we created order block. This is our order block. And this FEG is also here. So yes, somewhere here, one bid, two bid here, stop loss below. Whoever wants to long, like they wanna be a hero, they want to be a hero. So put bids here, here somewhere, and stop here, catch that long, and go for Monday high. But generally, I'm looking for this short to be played out first. Now, all these things All things I have explained here, what is going on and what's not going. I will show you one more range here, which is matching with my short bias for now. I will remove everything because I don't like mess on my chart. Clean chart as always. This range within range. One range we have this one, like here, range high, range low. Another range within range, that is range in this range. Higher time frame range, lower time for scalpers, like range high swept closed. Again, this is proper deviation here we have. So on my short bias, also my bids are there. Retest is pending. Structure shifted here, came here at least to mid range. If it loses, then we will see for what we called it, a low range low. But before that range low, there are too much levels. Order block. If this order block failed, another order block is resting here. Mid range is also here. If I checked out H2 EMA, also coming here, so it is also will act as support. So yes, there is too many things lying between it. We are playing in range on higher time frame. Simply some kind of if I checked out like this trend line and this one, some kind of bullish flag is also forming here. But this is crypto. Flag will be bullish, but it will bleed. You never know. It came here. But that breakout will also be a good breakout here. And one more plan. This is all on the Bitcoin. Now I will check a bit of USDT dominance with aligning. If it is aligning with my Bitcoin analysis or not. USDT dominance is lying in order block right now. Bullish order block. It is equals are here. So yes, mid push down below. If it pushes down below here in this region, Bitcoin will fly. The Bitcoin will stop me out. Plus, it will go up a bit more. Maybe it tapped out that monthly FPG. On lower time frame, I will remove everything again because I want it to be clear. Lower time frame range, I will mark here. Range high, range low. So deciding movement, decision will be taken here. Range high swept, retested down. The range low swept, reclaimed. H4 closes above, it is retesting now. Decisive movement it is. A small of FEG, maybe it filled out again and it go up like this. I will remove this range low as this and check out this internal structure. Shift here, order block is placed here. Divergence also here, bullish divergence is here. So yes, this low didn't taken out, but divergence is here because this low also protected out. Candle didn't close, so it will act as diversion. So it came here, tapped here, and then maybe it start pushing up towards this level, these levels. So yeah, it is also acting only invalidation is it will lose this low here. So I will my long will now sorry my short will also be liquidated because if it came down here, Bitcoin will fly. So simple is that. Keep it simple and find your confluences on your Always find your confluences on your short, long, at least two, four, three or two confluences are good, but on higher time frame confluences, good confluences. Like not like a breakout confluence and you are looking for breakout and oh yo, this is liquidity trend line. Maybe it came here trapped all longer there a bit of like what we will say a bit of the consolidation and then again dumped. So these trend line are designed for retailers. Don't be a retailer. Okay, another thing is Ethereum. Sorry, XRP. I'm saying the only altcoin which I'm looking for that is Ethereum. Good SR level. This was good SR level. It flipped out on retest. I'm looking for long to target these levels. Level 1, level 2. Two levels are here. Yeah, these two levels. Maybe if I saw previous range high here, this was previous range high, maybe this level. But this level, because there is nothing in between here, so it will go very fast up here if this chart BTC dominance behaves. On last what we will call on last session I explained this chart too much. If you are expecting a alt rally, it should be deviate here, structure shift, then that will be our alt rally. Otherwise, forget it. Now on lower time frame, it finally flipped its structure here. That is good sign for alts. We have double top formation, CHOCH, trendline breakdown, retesting zone. This zone is whole retesting zone. So yes, it failed. If it goes here somewhere here, then if it rejected from this region, then what we will say Ethereum and alts will start rallying because there is also nothing hollow window here. So if came down BTC dominance down, alts will fly and they will fly hard. Otherwise, if it going up, don't ape in alts for now. Wait for it. And yes, nothing else. I'm not watching any other coin at the moment. There is one more. I am just watching it. Good structure here, short structure, which is matching with my Bitcoin analysis. That is link. A short story with link. I will tell you my Karguzari. Range low, down, what we'll call it, retest, again down, reclaimed. I bought here. When I asked people to buy whatever they want to buy, personally, I bought link. Somewhere here, 5.1. Sorry, here, 5.1 here. 1.7 or 1.8 was my entry. After this CHOCH I bought here and then I closed here somewhere when Bitcoin was pumping and also not that much it pumped, it came here, I closed here. That I'm closing it on almost on break even. It was not on break even, like it was of 6% but not that much good. After that, after closing, look at this, 5.1 somewhere it goes up like 25%. So yes, so for now I'm watching it H2 rising wedge. This is demand zone here. It is acting good here. Broke down. If it rejected here, if I see previous levels, it is also on Monday low. So reclaim of previous week high, it will go for range Monday high. That zone will look for I will look for short on looking for short because there might possibility if Bitcoin rejected from previous week high, this will also will reject, and that is your uh, target, and this one also. If I checked out, yes, it is exactly in bearish order block as well, daily bearish order block. So if rejected here, these this is order block here, or we have FEG half filled FEG. This looks like it didn't look like a Bitcoin structure. Let me show you Bitcoin structure. It looked like I have seen it like this. Similar structure it is. CH CH down and then boom. This zone. Look at this one. This on weekly. Where is? Yes, on weekly I have seen this. Not on daily. Check out weekly. Now again link is retrieved. Same structure broke out, retest again going up. Under on Bitcoin we have weekly supply there is, and in on Chainlink we have daily supply. So yes, it is also a good zone. If it flipped, that will be good long here. But that zone is also good for relonging here. This zone. Target this F simply. So these are my analysis link at Ethereum and Bitcoin. Other than that, I'm not watching anything yet because I want to be a bit clear. Dixie should behave, USDT dominance should behave, BTC dominance if it restarted retracement, because I wanted to go a bit upper level to retest. That will be my good good zone for buying alts. For now, I'm waiting, playing simply scalps here. So yes, didn't fill go to fill my this daily open level. This if my video uploaded before uh, filling this short, place your bids. This is good RR setup. 3.38. Good 320 is my stop loss. Stop loss 320. Take profit 550 something I have, and I have entry at 3150 I think. Yes, this is my entry at 3.5 or something. This looks like a good setup. So if it uploaded on time and you are watching it, do place your bids here. If you front running me, this here it is your bid. It might reject straight from here. It already rejected once, but FEG is here. I will, and daily open also here, so I will trust the process. Let's see how things goes out. And now, for now, it's enough for the whole week and for next 2 3 weeks. Play in between. If big move happened, something big happened, then we will see what to do, or I will upload again. Otherwise we will wait and we will play in between. Thank you so much. Take care.